Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Hedera price prediction and Hedera news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Hedera in 2022. Built as the trust layer of the internet, Hedera Hashgraph is currently a public network that allows individuals and companies to build powerful decentralized applications, dApps. It is designed to be a fairer and more efficient system, able to remove some of the limitations faced by older blockchain platforms, such as slow performance and instability. It raised funding through an initial coin offering, ICO, in August 2018, and launched its mainnet open access for the first time just over a year later in September 2019. As part of the ICO, investors were able to purchase their own platform utility token, HBAR, at the lowest possible price. The HBAR token has a dual function on the Hedera public network. First, HBAR supports Hedera's services such as smart contracts, file storage, and recurring transactions. Secondly, it is used to secure the network, as HBAR users can stake their own tokens to maintain the integrity of the platform. By Lehman Baird. Baird, an American, patented the Hashgraph in 2016. Let's present a simple explanation of how the Hashgraph consensus works under the hood. Participants on the network, otherwise called nodes, use the gossip protocol to exchange data. Two random nodes receive information about a transaction, who in turn transmit it to two other nodes, a continuous process till a sufficient number of informed nodes can verify the transaction. Only transaction data is exchanged between nodes, without other network information. Unlike blockchains that store transactions in blocks, the Hashgraph stores transactions in hashes in chronological order. Products currently offered by the Hedera Hashgraph include HBAR, the cryptocurrency, the possibility to write smart contracts, and file service. Following the network's KIP procedure, any user can easily set up an account or create dApps on the network. Market size and the future of the Hedera Hashgraph project. As of press time, the Hedera Hashgraph has a total maximum supply of $50 billion and current circulating supply of $20.74 billion. Hbar came up with a novel idea to solve the general scaling problem that's currently plaguing the crypto blockchain ecosystem by deploying a unique architecture for distributed ledger technology, DLT. In addition to the unique architecture, infrastructure services for the cryptocurrency and DeFi industries. The Series B funding round was led by SoftBank Vision Fund 2, with participation from Dragonfly Capital, Jane Street, Parify Capital, Blindspot, GSR and others. The company recently launched its blockchain distribution network, which is set to overcome network congestion to provide users with reliable information about buy and sell orders. HBAR Foundation launches $50 million Fintech Innovation Fund. Hedera Ecosystem Promoter HBAR Foundation has launched a $50 million fund to incentivize Hedera-focused development work around central bank digital currencies, CBDC, stablecoins, remittance services, micropayments and asset tokenization. The Fintech and Payments Fund is now seeking proposals for these and other finance-based integrations. At the time of writing, Hedera was the 35th most valuable blockchain network, with a total market capitalization of $3.2 billion, according to CoinMarketCap. It has since recovered to $0.1028 at the time of writing, after bouncing from its long-term descending trendline. The token was up by 31.84% over the last 24 hours. The bounce back might be a sign that HBAR bulls are finally ready for some action. This outlook is further supported by HBAR's deeply oversold price, as the RSI points out. At press time, RSI rested at the 31 mark. On the other hand, the money flow looked ripe for accumulation. HBAR's ATX on 12 May was at 57.14, reflecting the strong trend, but the DAI registered some sideways performance in the last few days. This might be a sign of bearish trend exhaustion, considering HBAR's heavy sell-off. HBAR's on-chain activity may also be in line with the expectations of bullish recovery. For example, the total supply held by Whales metric registered a noteworthy increase in whale holdings in the last 24 hours. The FTX derivatives funding rate achieved a rapid recovery during the same period. This was after previously dipping to its lowest monthly levels. And staking services. The core members of the team come from international enterprises and financial companies and have experience in blockchain and financial industries. About the HBAR Foundation. Founded in 2021, the HBAR Foundation fuels the development of the Hedera ecosystem by providing grants and other resources to developers, startups, and organizations that seek to launch decentralized applications in DeFi, NFTs, CBDCs, and sustainability, gaming, and other sectors. In addition to providing funding through a streamlined grant process, the HBAR Foundation acts as an integrated force multiplier through expert support across technical, marketing, business development, and other operational functions that are required to scale. Cryptocurrency markets remain caught in a macro-based downtrend, with Bitcoin, BTC, and Ether, showing further signs of weakness at the end of April. But venture capital activity in the crypto and blockchain sectors is the strongest it has ever been, offering further evidence that major investors are looking beyond immediate price action and ignoring divisive bull-bear narratives. The latest edition of VC Roundup highlights the growing excitement surrounding Web3 gaming, decentralized finance, DeFi, and blockchain infrastructure. Blockchain distribution network provider Bloxroute has raised $70 million in funding to continue developing scalable Lindu most valuable coin. How high can Hedera Hashgraph go? The average Hedera Hashgraph rate could reach 51 cents by the end of this year. If we take a 5-year plan, we calculate that the coin will easily reach $2.13. We have given an analytical forecast up to 2030 inclusive. Perhaps some of this will be useful to you. Hedera course forecasts for 2022 and 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks. Hedera's price will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of 34 cents in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of 30 cents, with a maximum price of 34 cents for 2022. Hbar rate forecast 2023 the value of Hedera will rise, thanks to the efforts of the network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2023 is bullish. Hbar is expected to top out at 51 cents by the end of 2023, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that Hedera's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Hbar will be between 42 cents and 43 cents, expected in 2023 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Hbar ranges from 42 cents to 51 cents for 2023. Hedera course forecast 2024 it appears that by 2024, Hedera, Hbar, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2024, we can expect the average rate to be 64 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Hedera's maximum price could be up to 75 cents in 2024. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Hedera exchange rate forecasts for 2025 Hbars have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Hedera, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of $1.07. Hbar is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of 92 cents, a minimum price of 90 cents, and a maximum price of $1.07. Hedera Hashgraph, Hbar, price prediction for 2026. According to Hedera Hashgraph's price target and technical analysis, in 2026, Hbar price is expected to cross the $2.13 average price level. Hedera Hashgraph's expected price low is $2.06 by the end of this year. Moreover, Hbar may reach a maximum price level of $2.58. Hedera Hashgraph price prediction 2027, based on our in-depth technical analysis of past Hbar price data, the Hedera Hashgraph price is forecast to be around $2.95 in 2027. Hedera Hashgraph rate can peak at $3.58, with an average trading value of $3.04. Hedera Hashgraph, Hbar, price prediction for 2028. The Hedera Hashgraph rate in 2028 is forecast to hit a low of $4.39. Hedera Hashgraph could reach a maximum value of $5.11, with an average trading rate of $4.55 during 2028 price forecasts for Hedera Hashgraph for 2029, according to